Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to force restart a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. So if your Galaxy Z Fold 5 is frozen or like unresponsive, what you want to do is you want to locate the power button and the volume down button, and you want to press at the same time. Just press right here and hold. So press and hold. I'm still holding right here. So until you see the black screen and the Samsung logo back. So keep holding right now. Keep holding. It's gonna take a little bit of time until you see the Samsung logo back again. So I'm not releasing it. I'm still holding on the power button and the volume down button, and it takes a little bit of time. Here you go. So release it until you see the Samsung Galaxy logo, and it should force restart your Galaxy Z Fold 5. So if you have any problem, black screen, unresponsive screen, a frozen screen, this is the method to do to get your Galaxy Z Fold 5 back up and running. And so here you go, it's responsive to touch again, and you should be able to use it as normal. So if you find this video helpful, please give a like and subscribe for more helpful videos.